how to use Unionbank Rewards Platinum Credit Card. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Unionbank Rewards Platinum Credit Card effectively. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use the Unionbank Rewards Platinum Credit Card, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Maximize your rewards points by understanding the rewards program. Use the card for eligible purchases like dining, shopping, and travel. Check the rewards catalog regularly and redeem your points before they expire. Step 2. Focus on high reward categories. Use the card for transactions that offer the highest rewards multiplier, such as dining or travel. Step 3. Set the card as your primary card for everyday expenses like groceries, utilities, and fuel. Automate bills to earn points on recurring payments and avoid missed due dates. Step 4. Take advantage of premium perks like travel benefits, including booking flights and hotels or enjoying travel insurance. Use airport lounge access if available and explore exclusive deals for dining, shopping, and entertainment. Step 5. Manage the card responsibly by paying your full balance before the due date to avoid interest. Track your expenses using Union Bank's online or mobile banking tools and stay updated on promotions and bonus point opportunities. Step 6. Utilize the card's safety features. Enable transaction alerts to monitor activity, use contactless payments for secure transactions, and report any lost or stolen cards immediately to prevent fraud. So that's how you can use the Union Bank Rewards Platinum Credit Card effectively. That's all for this video.